Decor Designs, your go-to channel for transforming your living spaces into havens of beauty and comfort. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're stepping outside to talk about something often overlooked but incredibly impactful: simple pathway designs. Whether you're guiding guests to your front door or creating a charming stroll through your garden, a well-designed pathway can transform your outdoor area. So, what exactly do we mean by simple pathway designs? It's about creating functional and aesthetically pleasing routes through your outdoor spaces without unnecessary complexity or elaborate construction. Simple pathways prioritize clear navigation, ease of maintenance, and a seamless integration with the surrounding landscape. They often use readily available materials, straightforward patterns, and rely on the inherent beauty of natural elements like stone, gravel, or even just well-defined grass edges. The goal is to create a path that feels organic, inviting, and effortlessly beautiful, rather than overly ornate or formal. It's about letting the path complement the garden, not dominate it. The benefits of incorporating simple pathway designs into your home's exterior are plentiful. Firstly, they provide clear guidance, directing foot traffic and protecting your lawns and garden beds from being trampled. This functional aspect alone is invaluable. Secondly, pathways enhance the aesthetic appeal of your outdoor space, adding structure, depth, and visual interest. They can make a small garden feel larger or break up expansive areas. Thirdly, simple designs often mean easier installation and lower maintenance, saving you time and money. They're also incredibly versatile, fitting a wide range of home styles from modern to rustic. Finally, by defining routes, pathways create a sense of journey and discovery within your garden, inviting you and your guests to explore and enjoy the different areas of your outdoor sanctuary. Decorating your simple pathway designs to look beautiful is all about strategic accents and thoughtful touches that enhance their natural charm. Start by defining the edges of your path. This could be done with low-growing plants, neatly trimmed grass, or subtle edging materials like cobblestones or metal strips. Incorporate low-level pathway lighting, such as solar-powered stake lights or discrete uplights, to illuminate the path at night, ensuring safety and adding a magical ambience. Consider planting aromatic herbs like lavender or thyme along the path's edge so they release their scent as you walk by. Small, decorative elements like a strategically placed garden statue, a rustic bench, or a charming bird bath can also add personality. Finally, ensure the surrounding landscaping complements the path's material and style, creating a cohesive and inviting visual flow. Now, let's get inspired with our top 10 best simple pathway design ideas. Each one offers a unique way to enhance your outdoor space with minimal fuss but maximum impact. One, modern geometric stone pavers with gravel edging. This pathway features large, rectangular light-colored pavers laid in a straight, contemporary line, creating a clean and defined walkway. The space between the pavers and the surrounding garden bed is filled with dark river stones or gravel, providing excellent drainage and a striking contrast to the light pavers. This design offers a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that is both functional and visually appealing. The dark pebbles also serve as a low-maintenance border, separating the pathway from the lush green lawn and the rich wood-paneled exterior of the house, hinting at a structured, modern landscape. 2. Curved paver path with natural stone accents. This inviting pathway gracefully curves through a verdant garden, constructed from light-toned pavers laid in a gentle arc. The path is bordered by a natural dry creek bed filled with various sizes of river stones and larger decorative boulders, creating a soft, organic edge. Lush ground cover and diverse plantings, including small trees and shrubs, spill over the edges, blending the path seamlessly into the natural landscape. The design creates a serene and picturesque walk, leading the eye through different garden elements and enhancing the tranquil atmosphere of the outdoor space. 3. Floating concrete steps with illuminated edges. This pathway creates a stunning modern entry with its series of wide, floating concrete steps that appear to hover just above the lush green lawn. Each step is individually lit from underneath, casting a soft, inviting glow that highlights the pathway and illuminates the surrounding greenery, especially captivating at dusk. The path leads directly to a contemporary home with a mix of brick and dark siding, hinting at a modern architectural style. Tall ornamental grasses line one side, adding texture and privacy, while an integrated mailbox post sits elegantly among the plantings, combining functionality with minimalist design. 4. Classic brick house with formal stone walkway and hydrangeas. This grand pathway leads visitors directly to the stately entrance of a traditional brick house, flanked by an abundance of lush white hydrangeas and tall, spiky green plants. The walkway itself is composed of elegant, light-colored square and rectangular pavers laid in a structured pattern, offering a formal and inviting approach. Towering evergreen trees stand sentinel near the house, complementing its classic architecture. The symmetrical planting scheme and the expansive, well-maintained lawn create a sense of order and welcome, embodying a timeless and refined garden design. 5. Modern interspersed pathways with architectural planting. This contemporary pathway features large, light-colored rectangular pavers laid with strips of vibrant green artificial turf or neatly trimmed grass in between, creating a visually interesting linear pattern. The path is bordered by structured garden beds filled with white pebbles and a variety of architectural succulent plants, some housed in sleek dark metal planters. A minimalist wooden bench offers a place for rest, while tropical palms and dense green hedges provide lush backdrops. This design exemplifies modern landscaping, combining clean lines, diverse textures, and a harmonious blend of hardscape and softscape elements. 6. Floating stepping stones on lush lawn with contemporary seating. This design features a series of minimalist, light-colored rectangular stepping stones seamlessly integrated into a vibrant, well-manicured lawn, creating an inviting visual path. The pathway leads to a contemporary outdoor living space with integrated white concrete benches, adorned with vibrant pink and purple cushions, suggesting a relaxed and stylish area for entertaining. A slatted wooden screen provides privacy and a backdrop to the seating, while a striking red-leaved plant in the foreground adds a pop of color and texture, creating a modern and playful garden aesthetic. 7. Mid-century modern entry with concrete steps and pebble ground cover. This pathway offers a distinctly mid-century modern aesthetic, with broad, clean concrete steps leading up to the front door of a home featuring distinctive exposed beam eaves. The ground around the steps is covered with smooth, dark gray to black pebbles, providing a textural contrast to the light concrete and aiding in drainage. A large, spiky agave or yucca plant serves as a bold focal point, while a block-patterned concrete screen adds architectural interest and privacy. This design blends minimalist lines with robust materials, creating a striking and functional entryway. 8. Charming cobblestone path in a cottage garden. This picturesque garden features a charming, winding pathway made of small, irregularly shaped cobblestones, creating a rustic and inviting feel. The path gently curves through a lush, English-inspired garden bursting with a variety of colorful flowering plants in shades of purple, pink, and white. A central oval lawn area is framed by the path, leading to a secluded seating area with a small table and chairs nestled near a garden shed. A beautiful Japanese maple with deep red foliage provides a focal point, adding a vibrant splash of color to this enchanting and vibrant outdoor space. 9. Rustic stone slabs on white pebble bed. This simple yet effective pathway features irregular, natural stone slabs laid over a bed of clean, white pebbles, creating a pleasing textural contrast. The pathway is bordered on both sides by a strip of small, vibrant green plants, offering a soft edge and connecting the path to the surrounding green lawn. The design exudes a natural, organic feel, perfect for a garden seeking a tranquil and unpretentious aesthetic. The simplicity of the materials allows the lushness of the lawn and the accent plants to truly stand out, making for a serene and inviting stroll. 10. Winding rectangular paver path through lush landscaping. This elegant pathway meanders through a richly planted garden, featuring a series of rectangular pavers laid in a staggered pattern, with small gaps for ground cover or moss to grow, adding to its organic feel. The path gently curves, guiding the eye through diverse plantings that include vibrant red foliage, varied green shrubs, and young, slender trees, creating depth and visual interest. The use of dark mulch in the garden beds provides a neat and contrasting backdrop to the plants. This design beautifully integrates hardscaping with a naturalistic planting scheme, creating a welcoming and picturesque journey through the landscape. As you can see, simple pathway designs are anything but boring. They offer incredible potential to define your outdoor spaces, enhance their beauty, and create a truly inviting atmosphere. Whether you prefer modern lines, rustic charm, or lush natural integration, there's a simple pathway idea out there for every home and every taste. If you enjoyed this video and found these design ideas helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more inspiring home improvement and decor content, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Which raised deck design was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.